how it all happened. It came about how most ideas do, by talking. And from there we started taking notes and getting our thoughts organized. We started by watching some really awesome videos to see what kinds of things were possible. And then we got to thinking about what cool things we could do. We drew the things that we began to imagine. And as we planned, plans began to change. Our machine even developed a storyline. Part of our build required an electrical component, and the rest of it required other parts. We continually returned to the drawing board to test things, to try things, and we kept finding inspiration both in other videos and also in the way that we worked with each other. When we would build, we would talk. What about this? Could I try that? I'm not using this, but you try it. Each iteration was different and better than the last. Sometimes things worked, and sometimes they didn't. Sometimes one part inspired another, and sometimes the whole thing had to be scrapped. But no matter what, as we worked diligently, all pulling our part, the project kept moving forward. Even if sometimes forward kind of looked like backwards. Slowly but surely, our machine came together. Piece by piece and part by part, we began putting our individual construction together. Everyone had a purpose, and everyone had a role. If I wasn't filming, then I was building. If Mr. Kohara wasn't building, then he was coding. Mr. Van Kirk and Mr. Yim were responsible for the meat and potatoes of most of our construction. But that's okay, because like I said, we all had a role. And at the end of it all, we're all proud of what we were able to make. So here it is. We hope you like it. Version 1.0 of the Physics Department Rube Goldberg machine.